The men who walked closely with Jesus Christ did not end their lives in comfort. Their deaths reveal what it truly cost to follow him. Peter, one of the most outspoken among them, became a leader in the early church. During persecution in Rome, he was arrested and sentenced to death by crucifixion. According to early Christian tradition, Peter refused to be crucified in the same manner as Jesus because he felt unworthy. He was then crucified upside down. Even in death, his decision reflected deep humility and unwavering conviction. Andrew, the brother of Peter, also faced execution for his faith. He was crucified in Greece on a cross shaped like an X. Historical accounts say he was not immediately killed but remained alive for some time. During this period, he continued teaching those around him, refusing to stay silent even while suffering. His death showed endurance and commitment to the message he believed. James, the son of Zebedee, holds the distinction of being the first among the 12 to be executed. His death is directly recorded in Scripture. He was beheaded in Jerusalem under the order of King Herod. This marked a turning point as persecution against followers of Jesus became more open and intense. James did not escape this wave. He became one of its first victims. John, the brother of James, had a different ending. He faced persecution like the others but was not executed. He was exiled to the island of Patmos because of his faith. While there, he received visions that became the book of Revelation. After his release, he continued to live and eventually died of old age. His life shows that suffering for faith does not always end in immediate death, but it still requires endurance. Philip traveled to regions where the message he preached was strongly opposed. He was eventually arrested. Tradition holds that he was crucified for refusing to stop speaking about Jesus. Even while facing death, he remained committed to his mission, choosing faithfulness over safety. Bartholomew faced one of the most violent deaths among the apostles. Accounts suggest he was subjected to severe torture before being killed. One widely accepted tradition states that he was flayed alive and then executed. Despite the extreme suffering, he did not renounce his faith. These men were not forced into silence easily. They had witnessed what they believed to be truth, and they chose to stand by it, even when it led to suffering and death. Their endings were not accidents. They were the result of a deliberate choice to remain faithful regardless of the cost.